Open the available hands-free power liftgate by pressing the power liftgate button on the overhead panel, touchpad below the license plate, or twice on the key fob. Yukon will also project a GMC logo under the rear bumper once your key fob is approximately 6 feet from the vehicle. Kick your foot straight through the logo projection light and pull it back for seamless, hands-free access to the cargo area. Kick your foot through the logo projection light, press the button on the liftgate, or twice on the key fob to close the liftgate. Program the liftgate's opening height by turning the power liftgate knob on the overhead panel to 3/4 mode position. Then open the liftgate and manually adjust the liftgate to your desired height. Press and hold the button on the bottom edge of the liftgate until the turn signals flash and a beep sounds to save the setting. Press the lift glass button twice on the key fob to open the glass portion of the liftgate. For more information, refer to the owner's manual.